Hi! Today I'm here at Mactan-Cebu International Airport Terminal 2 where they're having an open house. So join me with a tour. Let's have a glimpse and see what to expect inside this newly built terminal that would open on July 1st. So, welcome to Mactan-Cebu International Airport. This new airport terminal has a land area of 65,000 square meters and is said to will be one of the best airports in the world. One of its unique features is the 15-meter high ceiling, primarily made of glued laminated wood, which is white alpine spruce from Austria. This terminal is inspired by the culture of Cebuano people, where they are best known of wood manufacturing, like its known world-class guitars. We are at the middle part of the terminal. There are two restaurants at the side and a bar at the middle. There will be more at the left and right wing of the building. From the name itself, aside from providing comfort, the comfort room also offers a great view of the airfield, the runway, as well as the airplanes landing and taking off. The toilets are now more elaborate. It is similar to that of Japan, which now features a bidet or washlets, but without the hot or cold water options. A lavatory for those who have special needs are available on both sides. The men's room highlights a real moss, a real live moss, which was imported from Italy. It doesn't need maintenance as well as watering. It is there to take up acidity in the atmosphere and odor, which is essential, especially that we are using urinals. To the left are cubicles, which resembles cabinets. The toilet has the same feature, that of the women's, such as a bidet for hands-free cleaning. Now let's see what it feels like walking inside the jet bridge or the passenger boarding bridge. And we have arrived at the arrival area. There are two toilets on both sides, one on the left and one on the right, and now offers passengers free water. You can now save your extra coins for a cup of coffee or whatever you want. Finally, the immigration area. There are 9 cubicles where each can be occupied by 2 officers at the same time. The baggage claim area resembles that of NAIA Terminal 3, although a little more intimate. There are 4 baggage carousels, which I think is adequate, since it's big enough to service 2 flights at the same time. tour with me. There are actually two things or two important things that I've missed in the video. One is there's actually a prayer room inside which is open for any religion. Second, there is also a spa inside the Terminal 2 airport. A lot of my tour mates were actually saying that the terminal cannot meet its deadline of July 1st. I'm crossing my fingers. I'm sure by now they're already working 24/7, doing all they can just to meet the deadline, which is next week. So once again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.